Hi everyone, Librarian Jennifer back with another episode of STEAM at Home. Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper helicopter. Now there are lots of places you can print this template online, but if you're like me, you don't have a printer at home and the library is currently closed, so you can't print there either. If you do have a printer at home, I know I've seen it at pbskids.com or .org, so hop over there, see if you can get it. Otherwise, follow along. So our whole paper is 8 inches by 2 inches. If you can see here, I've got a whole bunch of different sections. These are each 1 inch by 3 inches. Our middle section here is 1.5 inches. Down here it's 2.5 inches. And then over here it's 1 inch. And then these are each 2/3 of an inch wide. Make sure you note where the lines are solid and where they're dotted, because solid lines we're going to cut, dotted lines we're going to fold. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and cut on my solid lines. And now I'm going to fold this section first, the section opposite. So now you have almost like a field goal kind of looking thing. Now we're going to fold this one down, and then we're going to fold the top one backwards. And then with the way I folded it, you can't see our line. There's our line. I'm going to fold that up. Now I am gonna tape my bottom here, and then we're gonna stick a paper clip right on the bottom here. And this should, when we drop it, obviously from higher up than I'm doing it right now, it should twist and twirl. So I'm gonna try to find a high spot and we'll give it a shot. Okay, here I am with my little paper helicopter. I'm out on my deck because I wanted a place that was kind of up high. And this is about, I don't know, we maybe have about 4 or 5 feet to the ground. So I'm gonna lift it up as high as I can and we'll see how far it goes. And there we go! Yay, so that worked. If you were watching on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you were on Facebook, leave me a comment. Let me know if your little paper helicopter worked. And until next time, this is Librarian Jennifer signing off. See you guys later. Bye.